Good morning, students. Today we are here to discuss about trigonometric leveling to find out the RL of the object when the base is accessible. When we talk about base is accessible, that means our instrument and the object are in the same ground, and physically we can measure the distance between the object and the instrument. Okay. So here, first what we have to do, we have to use some apparatus. First one is theodolite. Second, we tape to measure the distance between the object and the theodolite. Next, we use staff, and finally we need field book to record the data. So first, we have to set a theodolite by selecting a suitable location where we can set the theodolite, and we do the leveling part. Okay. Then we have to identify a location whose RL is already known. If we don't have such a location, then we select one location and we measure its RL by using GPS. Okay, that is also called as benchmark. So first reading we will take a benchmark by using staff. So that I have denoted by S1. Okay, after getting the reading of S1, then we have to focus to the top of the object using the theodolite, and then we have to calculate, or we can say measure the angle, vertical angle alpha. So we all know theodolite, we can use theodolite to measure horizontal and vertical angles. So but in this case we don't need horizontal angle, so we have fixed the lower plane to avoid the theodolite is rotating in horizontal way, and we take the vertical angle as alpha. So now, then again we measure the distance between the object and the instrument, and we denote it by D. Okay. So now, what we do, we take this triangle Q, B, and A. We take this right angle triangle, and we take tan alpha. We all know tan alpha is perpendicular by base. So our perpendicular is Q by B and base is our A by B. So this Q by B is nothing but we have denoted by H. So we have substituted H here in place of Q by B, and in place of A by B is nothing but our distance between the instrument and the object. So here we have substitute D. So from this equation we can find out the H value with this equation, that is D tan alpha. Now our main purpose or main objective is to find out the RL of this point, that is the top of the object, or you can say the RL of the cube. So how we are going to find out? We have to take the RL of the benchmark. It is here. If it is known, then it's okay. If it is unknown, then we have to measure, or we can measure with GPS, using GPS. Then we have to add with the staff reading S1 that we have already measured in the field, and then that H value we have calculated, we add here, and after the addition we will get the RL of Q, that is the top of the object. Thank you.
So we are here in the field. We are in the parking lot of EDTU University. Here we are going to perform that trigonometric leveling when the base is accessible. So we are going to find out the RL of the top of this electric pole, which is in the parking lot of Assam Downtown University, and we have selected our benchmark, and the RL we have considered for the benchmark is 100. So first we have placed our theodolite to a suitable location, and we are performed that preliminary thing to level the instrument, and now we are going to take the reading of staff for at the benchmark. So the staff reading is 1.415, and the staff reading is 1.415. So now we are going to take the angle at the top of the tower using the theodolite instrument. Theodolite instrument. So we are taking the vertical angles with respect to horizontal. Okay, fine. I think the focusing is done. So now we have to see the angle. So the reading is okay, the reading is 7 degree 0 minute 0 second. So now we have taken the RL of benchmark is 100 meter, and now we have to measure the distance between this point and the object using the measuring tape. We are going to measure the distance between the instrument and the object. Okay. Okay, the distance is 30 meter. So now we have to do the calculation. We have to find out the h. The d is 30 into 10 7 degrees 0 minute 0 second. So h we are going to get, it's 3.689. It's a 3.689 meter. So the RL of Q, that is the top of the electric pole, we are going to get, first we have to take RL of benchmark plus S1 plus H. So RL of benchmark we have considered is 100 plus S1 is 1.415 plus the H value 3.689. So the total we are going to get 105.104. So it's 105.104 is our RL of Q, that is top of the electric pole. Okay, thank you.